I'm gonna get to that speaker, but take off the door panel like I did in the front. So, brand new Hyundai Sonata. Can you see that? Can you see that? We're doing back door speakers. Similar to the front, we got one screw, and pull this guy off. We got one little pushy, and it just sort of slides up in, tucks, and then pops back in. All right, easy. Now, after the one screw, grab and pull and get up under, and I got some stuck in here, and I'm gonna pull up. Come on. Handle and switch. Done. Door panel's out. Another candidate to my video of making your own speaker brackets. Again, brand new car and no speaker brackets yet. Or you don't want to pay. There you go. Take all 4 of these out. One by one. And I will show you just like the front. Just like most of these new cars, these speakers are not the best and can be replaced. Last one. Let's get them out. And here you go again. See? The shell is the speaker. Use it. Use it. And destroy it. And make your own brackets. You see? Put it right back in. And say sayonara. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.